This video we will show you how to check how much money you have on PS5. If you guys want to get started with PS5, you can use the links down in the description. To add funds to your wallet online, go to PlayStation Store and select sign in from the top right of the screen. Now select your profile icon from the top right of the screen. Next select payment management. Go to add funds and select a payment method. Select the amount and click add funds. You can also add funds to your wallet using a PlayStation TM Store gift card or voucher code. To check your wallet balance online, go to PlayStation Store and select sign in from the top right of the screen. Then click your profile icon from the top right of the screen and select payment management. Your wallet balance is displayed at the top of the screen. To check your wallet balance on the PS5 console, go to the PlayStation Store and then press the triangle button. After that, select More. Your wallet balance is displayed on the right side of your profile icon. So that's how to check how much money you have on PS5. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with PS5. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.